nobody listened. Elon Musk. AI is far more dangerous than nukes. Elon Musk, the visionary leader behind Tesla and SpaceX, continues to shine a spotlight on the potential risks associated with artificial intelligence, delivering his message with urgency and compelling clarity. During his captivating talk at the South by Southwest, or SXSW Tech Conference in Austin, Texas in 2018, Musk made an eye-opening statement that captured everyone's attention. He drew a thought-provoking parallel, emphasizing that AI possesses a greater potential for danger than even nuclear warheads.
That would be insane. And mark my words, AI is far more dangerous than nukes. Far. So why do we have no regulatory oversight? This is insane.
This startling comparison left everyone contemplating the immense power and impact of AI. But this is not the first time Musk has issued stern warnings about the dangers of AI. Also, back in 2017, he fearlessly addressed the topic, making waves with his thought-provoking statement on Twitter. If you're not concerned about AI safety, you should be. Vastly more risk than North Korea. It was a call to action that urged people to reflect on the potential impact AI could have on our lives and inspired a collective effort to ensure its development aligns with our values and safeguards our well-being. While Musk's warnings have sparked compelling conversations, it is important to note that not everyone shares the same perspective. Notable figures in the tech community, like Mark Zuckerberg, take to the internet to challenge Musk's claims, while maintaining a firm stance that AI is the future, and the fear associated with it is simply unwarranted.
With AI especially, I'm really optimistic, and I think that people who are naysayers and kind of try to drum up these doomsday scenarios are I don't understand it. I think it's really negative, and in some ways I actually think it's pretty irresponsible, because in the next 5 to 10 years, AI is going to deliver so many improvements in the quality of our lives.
The founder of Facebook expressed different views from the CEO of Tesla and SpaceX, dismissing Musk's AI doomsday scenarios as unnecessary and pretty irresponsible. In a recent podcast interview with Geek's Guide to the Galaxy, accomplished Harvard professor and psychologist Steven Pinker voiced his criticism of Musk's ideas. Pinker expressed his disagreement with Musk's alarmist perspective on the potential of AI, offering his perspective on the subject. He even cites Tesla's self-driving capabilities as evidence that it may not be as menacing as Musk suggests. A snippet from the interview saw Pinker saying, if Elon Musk was really serious about the AI threat, he'd stop building those self-driving cars. Since the professor's words served to undermine Musk's beliefs about the risks associated with AI, the billionaire went to Twitter to give his reply. Wow, if even Pinker doesn't understand the difference between functional or narrow AI and general AI when the latter literally has 1,000,000 times more compute power and an open-ended utility function, humanity is in deep trouble. Musk is definitely following his words when he talks about AI and the potential threat that comes along with such a powerful piece of technology. This was the reason why at the SXSW event, Musk demonstrated unwavering determination in the face of opposition, even referring to his critics as ignorant. While his choice of words may raise eyebrows, it underscores his firm belief in the importance of acknowledging the potential risks associated with AI. Musk also shares a pressing concern regarding AI experts and their mindset. He believes that some of these experts suffer from an overestimation of their own knowledge and intelligence, making them resistant to the idea that machines could surpass human intelligence.
Well, the biggest issue I see with so-called AI experts is that they think they know more than they do. And they think they're smarter than they actually are. In general, we are all much smarter than we think we are, but much less smart, dumber than we think we are.
Musk sees this mindset as flawed and emphasizes the need for a realistic assessment of AI's capabilities and the exponential rate of its improvement. Drawing from his involvement in AI innovation, he warns that artificial intelligence is far more capable than most people realize, which both fascinates and frightens him. The CEO of Tesla points to groundbreaking examples, like the computer program that plays the board game Go. This program is called AlphaGo, and its successor, AlphaGo Zero. To illustrate the astonishing capabilities of AI, in a short span of time, AlphaGo progressed from struggling against skilled Go players to defeating world champions. AlphaGo Zero went even further, achieving a perfect record of 100-0 against its predecessor by self-learning and mastering games from scratch. These remarkable achievements highlight the rapid progress and untapped potential of AI, extending beyond gaming to domains like self-driving vehicles, where Musk envisions remarkable advancements. However, amidst the awe-inspiring possibilities, Musk's concerns shine through. He poses a fundamental question that demands our attention. How can we ensure that the rise of digital superintelligence aligns harmoniously with humanity? According to Musk, this question represents the most significant existential crisis we face today. He considers it a pressing challenge that requires immediate action. Moreover, it is worth noting that Elon Musk himself is deeply involved in the field of artificial intelligence through his venture Neuralink. This groundbreaking company is focused on developing a revolutionary technology that aims to establish a direct connection between the human brain and machine intelligence. And recently, Musk and the Neuralink team overcame the hurdle of getting their product approved by the government. In a tweet posted on the 25th of May, the team passed a message to show their progress. "We are excited to share that we have received the FDA's approval to launch our first in-human clinical study. This is the result of incredible work by the Neuralink team in close collaboration with the FDA, and represents an important first step that will one day allow our technology to help many people. Recruitment is not yet open for our clinical trial. We'll announce more information on this soon." Musk firmly believes that establishing a foundation for the development of digital superintelligence is a crucial step forward if it is collectively deemed the right path for humanity. Drawing a parallel to our current reliance on phones and computers as extensions of ourselves, albeit with limited bandwidth, he envisions an interface that surpasses our natural capabilities. This future that Musk dreams about involves minute electrodes capable of directly reading signals from our brains, creating an AI layer that expands our intelligence beyond our limbic system and cortex, or, to put it simply, giving humans biologically fused digital extension. Musk sees establishing a high-bandwidth connection between our brains and this tertiary layer of AI as the key to achieving harmonious integration. However, he remains open to alternative ideas and actively invites contributions and suggestions from others. To make this vision a reality, Musk acknowledges the necessity of regulating AI to ensure it is a safe and responsible development.
With AI, and I think there should be some government oversight because it's a danger to the public. And so when you have things that are a danger to the public, like let's say, so food and drugs. That's why we have the Food and Drug Administration, right, and the Federal Aviation Administration, the FCC. We have these agencies to oversee things that affect the public.
The billionaire also talks about how he rarely disagrees with regulations, and he believes that in the case of AI, regulations need to be made to ensure public safety.
Sometimes people think I'm some sort of like regulatory maverick that sort of defies regulators on a regular basis, but this is actually not the case. Once in a blue moon, rarely I will disagree with regulators, but the vast majority of the time, my companies agree with the regulations and comply.
In his own words, he states, "I am not normally an advocate of regulation and oversight. I think one should generally err on the side of minimizing those things. But this is a case where you have a very serious danger to the public." It is important to recognize that Musk's involvement in the AI industry goes beyond expressing concerns about its risks. He is actively engaged in developing solutions and pushing the boundaries of technological innovation. Musk's commitment to building a future where humans and AI thrive together is evident through his artificial intelligence-related ventures. What the billionaire wants is to raise awareness about the need for a public body that possesses both insight and oversight to ensure that AI is developed in a manner that prioritizes safety and aligns with human values. And that is evident in his words.
I think we need to just be very careful in how we adopt artificial intelligence and to make sure that researchers don't get carried away. Because sometimes what happens is a scientist can get so engrossed in their work, they don't necessarily realize the ramifications of what they're doing.
So, where do we go from here? Musk's powerful message leaves us with thought-provoking questions that linger in our minds. How can we strike a balance between the incredible potential of AI and the potential risks it presents? What measures can be put in place to ensure the safe development and deployment of AI technologies? How can we establish a framework that guarantees the alignment of AI with our values and well-being? These questions require our collective attention, as they have far-reaching implications for our future. They invite us to engage in meaningful discussions, explore innovative solutions, and actively participate in shaping the trajectory of AI development. In the end, the future of AI lies in our hands, and it is through our collective efforts that we can create a future where humanity and artificial intelligence coexist in harmony. What are your thoughts on the potential risks and benefits of AI? How do you envision the responsible development of AI technologies? Join the conversation and let us shape the future together.